It's your girl, Vanessa, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a productive weekend in my life. The only lecture that I have today is Intro to Health Disparities. After that, I have to give a presentation to middle schoolers as a student admissions officer. I also have some surveys and applications I need to complete today. I am also on call this weekend. That's pretty much it for right now. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So it is now 9:44 a.m. I just finished getting ready for my presentation to middle schoolers. I have a pre-meeting with the admissions officer at 9:50, and at 10:05 is the presentation with the middle schoolers. So our presentation is about UF and admissions and everything, but they're 7th graders, you know? It's kind of too early to apply for college. But the thing is that the main focus of this presentation is to basically prepare their mindset about college. When they start high school, they already kind of have a roadmap or an idea of what they have to do to better the chances of getting to the colleges that they want. Because once you become a high school senior, you can't change what you did freshman, sophomore, and junior year. What's on your transcript is what's on your transcript. What you have done is what you have done. If you've done nothing, you have done nothing. Okay, it's 9:48, so I'm going to log into the Zoom meeting. Hello everyone, so my name is Vanessa. I am a student at the University of Florida. This is my 3rd year here. I am majoring in microbiology and cell science and minoring in health disparities. And I am currently a student admissions officer. So I am a student representative for the UF Office of Admissions. And I'm here with Randy, who is an admissions officer.
I serve as an assistant director here at the University of Florida in the Office of Admissions. I wish I was as cool as Vanessa, and Vanessa actually gave me a lot more insight into her major, which is pretty complex.
So I finished the middle school presentation. So I basically talked to 4 classes of 7th graders, and I gave them a whole presentation about UF and college life, preparing them for college and what they need to do and everything. It went really well. And then after that, I had to complete a survey for my job. If I didn't complete it by 12:01 p.m., then I may lose my job. So I literally just finished it, and it is 12:04 p.m. I finished it at 11:59 on the dot, so that's taken care of. I don't have any more classes for the rest of the day. I'm just going to be studying. I do have an exam on Monday for bioinformatics. It's my final exam, part 2. I also have a homework assignment due for health disparities. I also have a quiz on Tuesday, so I'll be studying for that too. I am applying for the Equal Access Clinic Network. It's basically a volunteering opportunity to work in the underserved community. So I'll be taking vital signs of patients and just be doing all clinical work. So I really hope that they choose me to be a part of their team. The application is due tonight, so I'm just going to be working on that. Just finished my application for the Equal Access Clinic Network. It was a 9-question essay application, plus I had to put in a resume, so it took me a while to finish it, but I'm finally done with it. Hopefully I get the volunteering position because I really do need the clinical experience, and also it'll just be a great way for me to serve the community and give back to the community. It is currently 7 o'clock, so I am on call. I don't think I've mentioned it in my video, but I am a residential assistant. So part of the job is that we have to be on call. So this weekend, I am on call with another RA, Jarrell. He is my co-worker. Tonight, which is a Friday night, Jarrell is the primary RA on call, and I'm the secondary RA on call. So if anything happens from 7 o'clock p.m. Friday night to Saturday 6:59 p.m. Jarrell is going to be the one who's going to be dealing with it, and then if he needs any backup, he will call me, and if we need more backup, I'll call the rest of the team to help us out. And once it's Saturday 7 o'clock p.m. to Sunday 7 o'clock p.m., I will be the primary RA on call, and then Jarrell will be the secondary RA on call. So as the secondary RA on call, I have to be within 15 minutes of the area. I'm currently hungry, and I kind of want to go to the dining hall, so that's where we're gonna go next. The dining hall closes at 9, and usually the later you go, the less food that they have available. I also just remembered that I have a anatomy quiz. It's an extra credit anatomy quiz due tonight, so I'm gonna go to the dining hall now and then come back, eat here, and then take my quiz. Alright, so I am back from the dining hall, and this is everything that I got. So because of COVID, they put everything in takeout boxes to encourage students to like eat their food at home instead of eating at the dining halls. Even at the dining halls, like all of the tables are separated by 6 feet and there's only one chair per table. Sometimes I do eat at the dining hall, but for the most part, I prefer to eat at home. So I'm going to show you guys what they had at the dining hall today. So this is a chicken club sandwich. This right here, we got some green, we got some yellow rice, and we got some ham. Got some yogurt here, pineapple here. Or I think this is yogurt, this is pineapple. Got myself some cookies in box number 2. Ooh, we got some salad. We got some vegetable, I think she said it was vegetable soup. And then we got some veggies. And then last but not least, box number 3. And we got some potatoes and we got some chicken. The dining halls are all you can eat. I personally like to get one of everything because I like to try new foods and everything. And I don't eat all of this food at once. I actually portion it out. I only get 35 meal swipes for the entire semester. I usually use like 1 to 2 meal swipes every single week. And then usually I eat like 1 plate a day. I also cook as well, but whenever I feel too lazy to cook, I just go to the dining hall. I'm just going to eat and then take my anatomy quiz. And I'm going to try to complete one more assignment before I enjoy my Friday night. I also forgot to say, dining hall food is actually not that bad. I've actually never bought a meal plan. This is my very first year that I actually have been going to the dining hall because it's one of my benefits of my job. And it's really not that bad. Every single time I do get food from the dining hall, I actually really do enjoy the food. But the price for those meal plans, those prices gotta go. They're way too high. That's why I can't do meal plans. I just cook instead. But honestly, it feels really nice like not having to cook and just walk to the dining hall and get food that's already prepared. I'm really thankful for this benefit of my job. Alright, about to take my extra credit quiz. We only have 7 minutes to complete 10 questions. Okay, so I just finished taking my anatomy quiz. I was going to do one more assignment before I enjoy my Friday night, but I decided, you know what, I'll just do it tomorrow morning instead, and I'm just gonna chill. I had 2 exams this week. I need this break. Had a great dinner. The dining hall food was actually really, really good. That vegetable soup, honestly, that was amazing. So I just started watching this new show on Netflix. I'll show you guys. So I just started watching Away on Netflix. I watched the first episode while I was eating dinner. This show, honestly, I love it. I love this show so much.
Commander Emma Green.
Most of you already know the city of Accra. And here we have planted
Reboot.
I just had to pause. I just wanted to say, this is the best way to enjoy a Friday night. I'm the type of person that honestly I would rather be alone in my room with some food and then like nice like Netflix show, Netflix movie, Hulu, whatever, YouTube, than like going out to like the bar or like the club or something like that. This just gives me so much joy. I don't know how many episodes I'm going to watch tonight. I'm just going to enjoy this night. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Guys, after watching this TV show, I'm only 2 episodes in. I have decided that I will become an astronaut. NASA, I have no experience, but I am ready to do the work. Okay. So today is actually Sunday. I didn't really vlog much yesterday, but I'm going to give you a recap of what I did Saturday. I basically woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning and I spent the majority of my day just editing my YouTube video. It was my day in the life as a pre-med student. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. That's really all I did yesterday. I was going to do schoolwork, but I just got lazy by the time I was done finished editing. Like, it was like hours of editing. I'm the primary RE on call. I have the on-call phone with me. I was called this morning. RE on call, how may I help you? Yes, I can help you. I'll be right there. I was also called last night, so I had 3 people call me yesterday, but it was all about the same exact situation. So I just handled that. It wasn't nothing serious. And I also went grocery shopping. So there's a pod market nearby my dorm. It's basically like a little convenience store, and I ended up buying some ice cream and lots of juice. Today I'm just just going to upload everything onto YouTube and just work on my description box, work on the title, put my tags and everything. I was supposed to do that yesterday so that today I can just focus on school, but like after I got called yesterday, I came back into my room and I just like watched Netflix for like the rest of the night. So yeah, but today I do want to like finish like having everything set up. I also have a homework assignment due tonight, so I'll be working on that as well. And I also have a meeting for my organization, that is for sisters. We have bi-weekly Sunday meetings. That's really all I have for today. So I finally finished my assignment. So basically the assignment was to like find information about our lawmakers, and as you can see, like the learning goal was to basically like to know like who our lawmakers are so we can engage with the political system to increase access to healthcare, eliminate health inequities, and promote laws and policies that improve health. So one thing that I love about like using Canvas is that like all the assignments are listed here, and whenever you complete an assignment it gets crossed out. So this is how I can keep track of like what assignments are due and like if I've done it or not. So today is the 21st, I believe. So yeah, I only had one assignment due today and I completed it, so that's it. So you can see I have a final exam tomorrow. It's part 2 for bioinformatics. I have a quiz on Tuesday. I have an extra credit assignment on Tuesday. As you can see, like I have a lot of assignments like due every week. Like look, this is just for one class alone. Yeah, so this is the life of a pre-med. So it is now past 7 o'clock, which means that I'm off duty from being the weekend RA on call. So the very last thing that I am going to do tonight is just to add the final touches to my day in a life YouTube video. The only thing I have to do is just do the description, the title, add the tags. This is what I have so far. So this is the title that I'm thinking about going with. What you put in your description does help you like with your ranking on your YouTube videos, I believe. And the description was the hardest part for me. That's pretty much it for my weekend in life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Follow my social media for some updates and kind of like get to know me a little bit more. I hope you guys have a great, amazing, wonderful day, afternoon, night, whatever time it is while you're watching this video. But thank you guys for all the love and the support. Bye!